You have reached Internal Revenue Service headquarters. How may I help you?
Well, I had a message on my phone when I got home, something about the local police and a lawsuit, and to call this number, and I'm just trying to call to find out what's going on.
Okay. Can I get the number and which number you receive voicemail?
Yes, 704 754
Give me one moment. 704 754.
754 7018.
Okay. On the same number. My question is like in which number you received this voicemail?
I don't know what you mean. I just gave you the number.
Okay. On the same number which we are speaking, like you got the message,
Right,
voicemail?
right.
Okay. Because here okay. Here is nothing shows in the system related to your case file.
So I don't know. I didn't understand. Somebody what?
Okay, can I have your first name and your last name
My first
so
name
I
is
can
Robert. My last
Robert
name
and your
is
last name
Steiner, Steiner.
Steiner, Robert Steiner.
That's right.
Okay, give me just one moment, Mr. Steiner. I need to fetch your file from the system and I will let you know.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Steiner, I would like to inform you there was a lawsuit filed against your name. Are you aware about that?
Well, no, I didn't know about that. That's why I called this number. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, let me speak. I would like to inform you there was a lawsuit filed against your name related deficiency in income tax and tax fraud.
Tax fraud.
Uh, Yeah, tax fraud and deficiency in income tax. Who files your taxes? Like you file your taxes your own or you hire someone to file taxes?
No, I do it myself.
You do yourself. Okay. So give me just one moment. Note down your case file number. You have your case file information with you.
No.
Okay. Your case file number is CF
Okay.
851193.
51193.
Yeah,
Uh,
CF 851193.
okay.
My name is Barry Cooper.
Barry Cooper. Okay.
Okay, Senior Restitution Officer with batch ID 1342583.
Okay.
Okay, and there is a lawsuit filed against your name related deficiency in income tax and tax fraud. And
Tax fraud.
when the yeah tax fraud. First, I would like to inform you the line being recorded and monitored by the IRS, Supreme Court, as well as the local authorities of your state.
The
So do
Supreme
not
Court.
interrupt me while it's
The
yeah
Supreme
Supreme Court.
Court is listening to this. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
I thought
So
they were
let
out
me
of
speak
session,
once
but
I
I guess
complete.
not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Once I complete, I will give you fair enough chance to speak. So please don't interrupt me. Do not interrupt me. Okay.
What if I have a question?
Okay. If you have question, you can ask end of my conversation. So first, I would like to inform you when the auditor conduct audit report on your taxes from last 5 year, which is the year 2011 to 2016. Every 5 year we conduct audit, and we conduct audit report when your taxes from last 5 year, which is the 11 to 16, uh, auditor rectify in the year 2014 and in the year 2015. There is a miscalculation of numerical errors to file a taxes, and the amount owed by you is $1,987.50 is unpaid on your name, and we believe it was a willful act done by intentionally to fraud with
What
government.
makes you think it was willful?
There is yeah,
Why do you think it's willful?
and
I don't know how you can say that.
okay. I just told you once I complete, I will give you fair enough chance. Okay, there is a three serious criminal allegation has been pressed under your name. First, violence of federal IRS rules and regulation.
Violence.
Second, yeah, and second, deficiency in your income taxes. And third, theft by deception. So now, according to the section 101A, there is a serious criminal allegation on your name. So because of that reason, according to section 101A, your social security number,
Yeah.
your all the properties under your name, like your bank account, debit card, credit card, driving license, everything going to be seized and suspended for upcoming 5 years.
Well, you can't
And
take my
according to the
credit
section
card.
50, Yeah, and according to the section 51C, your social security number could be blacklisted. So that means you are not authorized to get any government benefit in future. So now you have to hire a criminal lawyer.
Hello? What's
So now,
that?
yeah, now you, okay, so now you have to hire a criminal lawyer to represent your case into the courthouse. And if you lose your case into the courthouse, IRS will sue you for around a $9,000, and you have to come up with that amount within the week time frame or else 5 years of prison.
Five
So do you
years.
have any?
I've already done
Yes.
three. I'm not doing five more. I'll tell you that right now, buddy.
Okay, so sir, like before I sign affidavit and before we proceed your case into the courthouse, so do you have any question?
Yeah, I got a lot of questions. What makes you think I was wrong?
Here we have information in the year 2014 and 2015. There is a miscalculation done by you from your side. There is a miscalculation of numerical errors to file a taxes.
But what makes
And
you
the
think I
amount
did
owed
it on
by you is,
purpose? Why couldn't it be a mistake?
okay. I'm just giving you example, like your taxes are around at 27,000 and 1,500, like 27,500, and you just pay 25, like 2,200, 22,500.
I
So
paid
the 5,000.
22,000 in taxes. That's
Now
I
I'm
never
just
paid
giving you the example.
22,000 in
Yeah,
taxes.
I know you never paid this much of amount.
What
I
am,
just giving you the example, like you made a mistake while filing a
well, why don't
taxes.
you use an example I can go along with? Like I paid 5,000. I mean, that's what I paid.
Yes, like your actual income tax was a $17 and you pay a five, like, and you file a taxes related a $12.
Well, that's
So
more
the
like
$5, yeah, $5 would be your mistake. Like you
okay. So I owe you five
pay,
dollars.
like you pay, yeah.
Okay,
So I would like to inform you there is a miscalculation done from your side, and the amount is owed by you is $1,987.
you just
And
told
the
me it was
amount which
five
I told you
dollars.
that now, your unpaid back taxes is $1,987.50.
Where'd the $5 go?
No, that is not a $5. I am just giving you an example. That was just example. So I would like to inform you there is an unpaid back taxes. Do you have any question before we proceed your case into the courthouse?
Well, I don't want to go to the goat house, but how do I pay this?
So you want to resolve this matter inside the courthouse or you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse?
I don't want to go to the. I just want to pay it. If you say, oh, I'm not going back to jail, I'll tell you that right now. I'm not going back to jail. So if you want me to pay it, I will. Well, how do I pay it?
Okay, if you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse, so first I'm not authorized to give you this option. Like,
Well, who is?
okay, you have to talk. Okay, first you have to speak with the authority and you have to convince them like you want to resolve this matter outside the courthouse. If they give you permission, then and then you are eligible, you are authorized to
I
resolve this matter outside the courthouse.
wait a minute. I need permission to pay my taxes.
First, I would like to hear me.
What's all that noise? I don't understand what that is.
Okay, so I'm going to connect your line with my restitution officer and he will helping you out further. You just have to ask them like you want to resolve this matter so they will helping
Well,
you
I'm
out
not
further,
kissing
okay?
his ass. I'll tell you that right now. But I'll ask him if I can pay
Yes,
it.
you want to resolve this matter by paying this amount, right?
Yeah, but I'm not kissing this guy's
Okay.
ass. I'll tell you that right now.
Uh, Sorry, I'm going to connect your line and he will helping you out
Good.
and he will let you know like how you pay this amount
Okay,
and
okay.
okay?
Just connect me.
Be online
Just
for
connect me to him.
okay, be online.
Yeah.
All right, your line has been transferred to Kevin McCarter. This is Senior Officer of IRS Restitution Department. How are you doing today?
Good.
All right, now you were just having a word with one of my restitution officer that you want to resolve this case out of the courthouse in order to put your case on
Yeah,
hold.
but he said I had to
So,
ask you.
I,
What do I
sorry?
got to do to ask you? I got to ask you if I can pay my taxes? I never heard of such a thing.
Yeah, go ahead. What do you want to ask?
I want. He said I had to ask you if I could pay my taxes.
Yes, we have to first of all record your statement that you have a bad debt pending on your name, which is for 14 and 15 minutes calculation, which you owe is $1,987. So first of all, what's your intentions? Like, do you want to resolve this case out of the courthouse by paying this amount, or do you want to proceed further legally with the warden?
No, I said I'd pay it. How many times I got to say it?
All right, now. Okay, but all right. Your statement has been recorded. I just want to know, like, do you have these funds in cash with you, or do you have that in your debit card
Of
or
course I
credit
got it.
card?
Of course I got it in cash.
All right, now let me guide you what you need to do here. First of all, what you need to do is you do not need to hang up the line. You do not need to keep me on mute or hold until and unless this case get resolved. The moment you hang up the line, we'll have to proceed further legally with the arrest warrant. Okay,
I
so
ain't
make
going
sure you
back to
don't
jail. I
disconnect the
told
line
the other
from the
guy
end.
that. I told the other guy I'm not going back to jail. So get that right out of your head.
Exactly. Sir, I have to tell you what is my duty, okay?
You do whatever you do to you.
Do you
What
hear
is
me?
that? What is that noise?
I don't know, sir, what's beeping between. Okay. Now let me explain you what you need to do is, like, first of all I explain that you do not need to give me any of your private information. I don't need your debit card,
Well, you
I
should
don't need your
have it all.
credit card, or I don't. Sorry?
You should have all my information.
We don't need, sir, we are not
You
allowed,
should
or we
already
don't
have
need
it.
to take your.
All right, okay.
Sir, don't interrupt me when I'm explaining
Well,
you,
don't you
okay?
interrupt me when I'm talking.
Okay, listen to me very carefully if you want to resolve this case.
Well, I don't.
Alright?
Apparently, you don't know who you're dealing with. Okay, go ahead. Tell me what you want.
What do you mean?
You know what I mean. You got my record there.
So,
So tell me what you want
what
to
you need
tell
to
me.
do here is, okay, what you need to do is, like, you have to go to your nearest government certified store, which is Walgreens, Kroger, Best Buy, Safeway, Target, or Dollar General, and you'll have to purchase tax-pay card. Okay, the moment you purchase the tax-pay card, one of my IRS officer is going to come down at your doorstep with the legal paperwork, and you have to submit these physical cards to him. So sit in your car and drive to the store and let me know once you sit in your car, okay? You do not have to hang up the line. You do not have to keep me on mute or hold.
You want me to get
All
in my
right?
car now.
Yes,
What?
you have to go to the store and let me know once you
What I
get to
gotta
the
go to the
store
store for?
to purchase the tax pay card, sir.
I'm not going to the fucking store.
Sir, you are speaking to the IRS officer.
No,
You
I'm
do
not.
not
I'm
have to
talking
abuse
to
on
a
this.
scamming son of a bitch. I'm not talking to the IRS, you
Oh,
asshole.
talking to your father?
You Ben
You're talking to your father
Colody.
and abusing him?
Ben Colody. Motherfucker. You gonna hang up, stupid, or you gonna
What did
keep
you
on
say?
listening to me? Huh?
What did you say?
I said you're gonna hang up, stupid, or you gonna keep on listening to me.
No, before that.
Before that, Ben Colody?
Yes.
Yes. That's the
What
only
is
word
that?
I. That's the only word I know in your language.
In our language?
Yeah, yeah.
What
Because
language are you talking about?
obviously your first language isn't English.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Okay, then you'll get to know about it in just 45 minutes.
Yeah,
You will be
yeah,
thrown behind the bars.
I'll be sitting here waiting. Oh, I'll be on pins and needles. You fucking jag off.
You remember 9/11?
Yeah, I remember 9/11. You fuckface.
Do you want to see that in your house again?
Don't ever talk about 9/11 like that.
Why?
Uh, Because to real Americans that
You
means
got you
something.
got
Because to
you
real
got
Americans
you
that
got
means
your
something.
listen. You got your pins and needles in your ass now,
You're gonna have something else up your ass, you fuckface.
motherfucker. Hang up the line.
You hang up. I don't want to hang up. You hang up. I'll talk to you all fucking day, you jag.
Okay, you can speak to Barry Cooper again. Okay,
Why would I want to talk to fucking Barry Cooper again?
because he's your
Hello,
case in.
asshole.